In this video, I'll show you how to download and install CapCut on your Windows PC. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Let's get started. First, click the search icon on your taskbar and type Microsoft Store, then open it. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click the search bar at the top and type CapCut. Select the CapCut app from the search results and wait for its page to load. Next, click the Install button in the top right corner. The Microsoft Store will begin downloading CapCut automatically. Just wait for the download and installation process to complete. When it's finished, you'll see that the app is installed. You don't need to do anything else. You can now close the Microsoft Store. To launch CapCut, click the search button again, type CapCut, and open the application. The first time you launch it, you may see a message saying it's checking your computer's environment. Give it a few moments to finish. Once the check is complete, you'll see a confirmation that your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Click Confirm to continue. After CapCut opens, you can click New Project to start editing right away, or browse the available templates if you prefer. I'll choose New Project. Now simply click Import, select the photos or videos you want to edit, and you're ready to start creating your project in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials.